Adjustable beds, not just for the elderly. In an ever-increasing market for the ultimate sleep system, most people still believe that the adjustable bed which was originally used in hospitals and homes for the elderly are still that. A bed that can help the elderly in and out of bed. Although they are extremely helpful in these situations, they can also be very important for anybody in today's lifestyle. Now, any sincere knowledgeable mattress salesman won't push the watching TV or reading in bed. It's not something that we should recommend. But with today's lifestyles, this has become a normal way of life for some people. Sitting in bed watching TV, working to make the big deadline is okay, if that's your choice. But propping up 2 pillows every 3 minutes is probably not doing any good to your back or any other part of your body for that matter. If this sounds like you, maybe your next mattress purchase should have an adjustable base as well. There are many side effects from poor sleep and sleep habits that might also be a clue for you to check out the benefits of the adjustable bed. Some of the health issues are back problems, neck and shoulder pain, arthritis, circulatory problems, gastric reflux at night, snoring, breathing problems. Not only does an adjustable bed provide serious convenience with regards to helping people in and out of bed, but there are many health benefits that can be taken advantage of for anyone. Tossing and turning at night on their mattress is the most common reason that people don't sleep well at night. The main reason people toss and turn at night is pressure points. Traditional coil and spring mattresses put pressure on different areas of your body, causing restricted circulation to those areas. When your body becomes uncomfortable, you turn to a new position. Another reason for tossing and turning is improper spinal alignment. All traditional mattresses are flat, but our bodies are curved. The traditional mattress fails to offer the lumbar region enough support, often allowing your lower back and hips to sink below the rest of your body. This causes pressure and discomfort in that area, which causes your body to turn to a new position. Adjustable sleep systems offer you several great benefits. Obviously, the adjustable base is only that, an adjustable base. To get all the benefits out of your adjustable base, you need the proper mattress to work with it. Together, they can create a totally pressure-free environment while you sleep. Many studies have been done with the space program. The best known is the creation of memory foam. But there is more that was learned from the way astronauts sleep in space. Well, our astronauts sleep in a totally pressure-free environment experience all the time, floating in space. In studying the way astronauts sleep in space, we have discovered a few interesting things. First off, their heads stay slightly elevated, allowing for easier breathing. Secondly, and probably more importantly, we see that their knees naturally bend and elevate slightly above the heart. This position takes pressure off the spine and allows for increased blood flow to the heart. Only an adjustable bed can mimic this extremely comfortable and healthy position. Keeping your body in our natural sleep position reduces the pressure on your skeletal frame more than 85%, ensuring you will get the deepest, most restful sleep possible. What to look for? An adjustable sleep system consists of 2 parts, the base and the mattress. The base: there are really 2 types of adjustable beds, the commercial model used in hospitals and regular consumer models. The commercial product is very heavy-duty and usually has rails on the sides to help someone pull themselves up. These models are extremely expensive and are not very aesthetically pleasing for home use, unless your health requires it. Concentrate on the frame construction. You want the heavy-duty construction with the look of an elegant piece of furniture. Preferably, a regular box spring appearance, giving you the ability to dress it how you like it. Look for quality motors at the head and foot. Make sure they are UL listed and CSA approved. Preferably a freefall design so the head and foot sections lower by gravity only. This will ensure the motor gets extended life. Also ensure that it's equipped with insulated rubber wheels for smooth, quiet operation. A polarized modular electrical system is the way to go, as it ensures you won't have any stray wires, and with the plug-in feature makes service a snap. Look for at least a 50-degree incline at both head and foot. 60 degrees is optimal. Make sure the legs have threaded glides, allowing you to adjust the height of the bed to your liking. Now, depending on your preference, make sure there's the availability of a massager. I don't know about you, but I like the massager. It provides that little bit extra pampering you need at the end of some days. Some brands you have no choice, either you get it and pay for it or you can't get it. Having a choice is always nice. Same goes for the remote, it's nice to have the choice between wired or wireless. The mattress, your mattress is the single most important component of any bed, adjustable or not, even if your foundation was the corner of 4th and Main. The proper mattress should provide the proper support, pressure relief and spinal alignment even in this situation. Many companies only offer coil and spring mattresses with their adjustable bases. This is not exactly the best case scenario. The coil and spring mattresses are not very pliable and don't really work well with an adjustable base and often need replacing every 5 years. There are other very luxurious choices at a fraction of the price that you would benefit from with use of your adjustable base. All are designed to offer you pressure relief, proper spinal alignment and a more breathable sleep surface. Air mattress beds work well with the adjustable base when they are equipped with horizontal chambers. The chambers follow the contour of the bed nicely. Although this works well, it's still not the optimal choice. Try looking at a memory foam or latex mattress. These mattresses are made from highly specialized foams and are more durable and pliable than coils and springs. As a result, they will work in unison with the adjustable base to provide you with the ultimate adjustable sleep experience. Not to mention your mattress will most probably last for its intended life, and these foam mattresses can go for 20 years. The final tip is to stay away from the deal that promises mattress included. Rarely does this mean you're getting any quality in the mattress they're giving you. Just foam doesn't mean memory or latex foam. Check it out to make sure. So depending on your lifestyle or if your health dictates, I hope this isn't the case, check out all the health and convenience benefits of a quality adjustable bed, but don't forget the quality mattress.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.